Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew.
Check 1 2. Are you ready? Good morning. It is Thursday, and we are going in for the first session here. We got 3 seconds until the open. I've got full auto turned on for the first 5 minutes. I like to sit on hands personally for the first 5 minutes through the craziness, but oftentimes we see the Enigma bot have really good trades in there, and sometimes not, like yesterday. Nothing's 100%. I'm going to turn down the volume here and get settled in here, watch the first 5 minutes, and then we'll start executing on our trades. So if you are new with us, let me give a quick tour around the workspace here. Up here at the top right is one of our trade management tools here that keep me mentally in my zone of how many trades I'll be taking. I don't want to overtrade. Looking for 5 trades for standard operating procedures, like a video game. That's the way that I approach the markets, like a video game, with a cheat called AlgoBox. And that is a physical sheet here. You can see my hand waving over here. It's just sitting here on my desk. And you can print out one of these sheets for yourself on the left-hand side of Discord. Make sure you are inside of Discord. Over here on the left is the direction filter. This is available inside of Discord only. It is a free trade room for anyone. So come on in, hang out with us, and that direction filter, that is not just for the NASDAQ instrument. Oh, did we just take our first trade there? Yes, so let's see how the bot takes that first trade. Looks like the stop's just in the wrong spot there. Needs to be behind the Enigma. Missed it by a hair there. All right, stop out on trade 1 there. I'm going to give that one more shot there. Finger over the close. Yep, broke it. Okay, so I went 2 try on that. That's okay. I'm going to increase the size for the next one, and we'll let that get going there this morning. Sorry, I'm trying to react there at the same time. So direction filter up here in the Discord is live, but here on the YouTube stream is not going to be moving. So if you're wondering, hey, why does it say, you know, it's basically a frozen image there. If you want to get that active in the room, that is on the left-hand side of Discord. Looks like this. Currently, we are on the sell side for the majority of our current trades. We want those trades outside of this middle zone here. That is a very interesting setup going on there this morning, continuously attempting the up move there and kind of getting slapped down. Let me remove some of my drawings from yesterday. New zones here for the morning, and we'll take some plays. Got my work cut out for me already. That little stinker right there. That's all right. Let's get to it. So 89 big picture does look like we're kind of coming off of that exact spot. Remember this yesterday? I drew that gold line, and I mean, you could not get any more perfectly touching that. We literally called the absolute peak high of that overnight, and then the drop down here. So let's get to it. 5 trades. Autobots currently turned on for 2 more minutes.
Speed of NQ7.
And then I'll start taking over and entering in on those cyborg trades and playing our usual setups. If you guys got questions, put them there in the chat. There is a 2-week free trial and training during that is available on our website. 36 free premium member videos there for your training to learn our strategies and see if you like what we do here. If you want to try it out, download it, install it, let her rip. Okay, so got about a minute and 10 seconds. So this big dashed line up top here is the open. That's the overnight open.
Speed of NQ7Q on the 9.
Okay, we got about 50 seconds. So as we're approaching that first 5 minutes, I like to watch what structures are being held. It looks like right now, harmonic structures holding nearly 100% right now. Shark, Cypher up, into Shark, off the Shark back, all of them continuously holding. First one that broke here is this 50 cent. Got 20 seconds. Did not hear audio box buyers step through as that broke, so no play there yet. Got about 10 seconds. Let's mark this one. I like to mark the ones that didn't work. That's one. I mean, that one worked. That one worked. Just this one right here. What time was that? 9:31. Did not work there on the twos. Okay, MACVU is now neutral, which means plays in both directions. Here comes King Timing. Yeah, harmonic structure is in play right now, so the algorithms are moving it around, which we kind of expect, especially there in the morning.
Speed of NQ74.
Left hand buy, right hand sell. Currently, MACV just moved into red.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Yes, MACVU just now are back to neutral. So following what I kind of call, if I'm trying to pick a bias for runners, remember this is primarily runner bias. Where's the snake been? Right, looks like left-hand side. So has been to the sell side here this morning on the overnight. Now that can shift at any moment, especially between 9:40 and 9:50. But if I'm going to default for whether I'm going to hold runners or not, it is going to be in the direction of the MACVU. On a neutral, I'm basically looking for target 1, target 2, and a runner on either direction. Okay, back and touching the open. There's a 16.8, should be getting things going. And there's a smaller one after a larger one. So first deal I'm going to try is a short right there off of that. Stop above the crosses there.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Excellent. So that's a classic. Large followed by a small at a level. Pretty straightforward. If you haven't watched that in our videos, go check that one out.
Speed of
Mike Schwartz actually did a great educational video on that as well. Give shout outs to Mike Schwartz if you guys are not following him on YouTube. Mike Schwartz, SWARTZ. Great trading educator in the space. Also uses AlgoBox. Great trader. Not your typical YouTuber. Left hand buy, right hand sell. Hotkeys for the game. Speed is good, 62. Gotta love those AI. What's up, Mike Schwartz? There's the man, the myth, the legend, Mike Schwartz. And he loves those AOs. He did a great video on that one right there, talking about getting a high number followed by a low number for a nice reversal off of those. Okay, here comes the supply. Let's draw the zone. Okay. Current width of the zone is right there. Algos are in control. Coming into king timing. Let's see if we get a power break. Nope, butterfly still holding.
Speed of NQ55.
Okay, there's the supply at the top. If we get a secondary cross, I'll smack it down. Went on its own with just one. Got one. See if we get a second one. So the volume are stepping in at the top and the bottom of the zones. We kind of want to see that. If we get a double, then I'm going to take that back into the middle. Back to the middle on its own. Didn't get an easy double cross entry.
Speed of NQ53. Speed of NQ53.
Okay, supply coming in the middle at the open. See if this bat holds. Yep, reacted off the bat. Algo's still in control. Double timing. Okay, double king timing. Need a setup.
Divergence down NQ on the 9.
Divergence on the 9. Check my fours. Anybody know, do we have news at 10? Pull up. Make sure we don't get caught in the middle of something. Okay, typing news. We've got 10 a.m. Fed bar speech. Then 10:30. More Fed, 11:30. Wow, so 10 through 11:30, almost every half hour, we've got people talking. Okay, so between 10 and 11:30, maybe get some. Okay, sounds like I'm hearing buyers come through as we crack the Gartley. I was behind on it. Oh, got paid on that. Paid for it, I mean. Okay. Boo. Buy a tick. Sounded like they were going to start cracking through. Got me on that one. You give me a second shot?
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
Target filled.
Okay, so tricky. Didn't quite get to target on a double cross, so we should be seeing this smack back down inside into the middle of the zone. Stops above the crosses if I'm wrong here on a DCR at the top of a zone. We do need to expand out this zone as it pushed up to this location here. So DCR trying to get into the middle of the zone. Boo. Unfortunate stop outs to the tick there.
Time we expect comments from Fed Spark.
And closing her out. Okay, so break of the cross. That is too many for me. This has not been my morning. So I'm going to cut it right here.
Both text and Q&A.
Oh, that was tough. Let's talk through a few scenarios there. Nice. Got into a tight zone around the open. Typically on a double cross scenario, we can pop back inside. Just didn't get us the first time. I was listening to, because this looked like a trap, we look for the upside move. Literally stopped me out to the tick just behind our crosses there. Just a little bit too tight there for the inner range. We were inside the fiddle. Pretty much every trade I took there was inside the middle. Unfortunately, there was only 2 spots. And even right now, where we're coming out of it, just not feeling well this morning in general. So I'm just taking an assessment here, and you know, that's multiples in a row there. I'm just not feeling it, not executing well, and just I'm playing too tight there on my plays as well. Super frustrating to watch a trade go all the way to your target where you originally attempted. Even on the smackdown back inside, literally to the tick penny, just staying in that little square zone there for, I mean, how long was that? It's literally in that little zone. That was tough. And that's me fiddling in the middle, right? If I just literally just be patient, don't play in the middle, that's a different story on that situation. And this is just the slow style speed that it's not my game, not my game. All right, I'll catch you guys in the afternoon. Did we get to 50 likes? Let me look over at the chat. No, we did. We just now got over 63. All right, well, I'll be here this afternoon, and if any, I don't know if the market wakes up after 10 a.m., 10 to 11:30 when they're starting to talk, we'll get back after it. But for here, I'm going to cut it here on a red session, and we'll get back here with you guys this afternoon. Hopefully you learned something from that. I think the lesson is, I mean, look, this is really weird. That's really, really weird. The very first one, you know, that's an unfortunate one right there. You know, oftentimes that works really well. 2 days in a row where right in the open, that first 5 minutes is just a no play zone. Before it was fine. We got a winner, we got a winner, we got a winner, and then just trying to have it one more, and we have not seen another enigma that entire session since the open. Very unique day here. This is a day after an all-time high day. Not my favorite days to play. Yesterday we did okay yesterday, but yeah, not my favorites. Tougher maps in general, and the slowness. I like to be in and out after a few trades and be done. This is creepy crawly land here. I thought we had CPIs today. Did I miss what time was CPI? Let me see. Was I off on what day that was? Let me look. Oh my, okay, that's what I was looking at. All right, yesterday. Okay, well let me we'll check out here till this afternoon. This is just too slow. We've got, you know, the giant X over the chart saying, look, this has been just too slow. This is like just gross looking stuff here. Just not a fan. Was it playable? It's debatable. That one right there really just got me off tilt, and yeah, I'm not gonna fight it anymore there for right now. It probably will after the 10 news, 10, 11:30. These start busting outside of that middle fiddle, way too wiggly area. We'll be coming back at it. All right, thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbot, Mod Squad, Curtis, G. I'll catch you in the afternoon. Let's send out the Big H Town. See ya.
Fib.NQ on the 9.